Most Walmart sellers don't even know these Walmart tools even exist, but they're the secret to success in 2025. You can see our client right here made over $166,000 on Walmart in their first year. So these tools definitely help, and we know what we're talking about. Now, the first tool is going to be Helium 10. Helium 10 specializes in Amazon, but also now Walmart. And they're one of the only ones that has Walmart tools. So if you're searching on Walmart, like a Walmart plush, you can click on the Helium 10 extension and you click on the X-ray button, and it actually shows you how much they're making per month. This one's making $21,000 a month, this cute little Pikachu. And this Snorlax is making $41,000 a month. There's like almost no competitors selling Snorlax right now. So this could be a really good option if you wanted to launch your own product, sell a Snorlax. And again, I'm going to pull it up again one more time. We're going to see how much money they're making. And again, you can see Pokemon, Snorlax, product ID, their UPC code, price, Walmart sales, Walmart revenue, $41,674.43. And if it is on Amazon, you're going to also see if it's on Amazon and their Amazon ASIN. So it gives you a lot of data, right? And even their quality score, stuff like that. Pretty good stuff. Can't complain with that. Not only that, Helium 10 also has another tool. So if we wanted to sell this item or we wanted to sell Pokemon plush, what we can do is copy the ID. Here is the listing ID. Then you're going to open up a different tab. Let me just get this different tab. And you're going to log into Helium 10. You're going to go to Tools, Cerebro. And then you're going to scroll down to Walmart. You're going to put in that item ID and click Get Keywords. Now, what it's going to do is it's going to get all of the keywords this item is ranking for. So when you launch or you already have a product on Walmart, we know this item's $41,000. It's a lot of money. We want to make sure that we're taking as many keywords as possible that they're ranking for. So we can actually see, we can filter it by the trend score. Stuffed animals, make sure you have that specifically in your title if possible. Pokemon, plushies, right? So that would be a good one probably for your description. And you can see how much search it's getting and the Walmart trend score. The higher, the better. Pokemon toys, Pokemon plush, anime. I don't even know what this keyword is. Pelches. So I'll have to look into that. It's plushie toy. So again, child stuffed animals. So you can see these are what the customers are typing in. And the higher the score, the more likely it is for Walmart to show you on the first page if you have these either in your title, your key features, aka your bullet points, or your description. So again, this tool is pretty darn great. And they also have other tools with Walmart Magnet, Keyword Tracker. You can track your profit. There's a link in the description with a free trial and a discount if you want to try it out. Next is going to be Optiwise. And this one, again, is free, right? So if you're selling an item, let's say you're selling Coca-Cola or something similar, and we click on it, and then we're going to scroll down, right? What you're going to see is they have images in their description, right? It's got the turkey, it's got the Coca-Cola. They're having fun with the Coca-Cola. Pretty cool. Now, you can also have this in your description. And if you do have photos in your description, it will help you increase sales. So this is a great tool, right? All you have to do is type in Optiwise Walmart into Google. You'll see it. It'll be like the first one that comes up, and it is free. So what they're going to do is they're going to automatically put those images in your description. That's going to help with credibility and help with sales. So you can also check the pricing for that, and you can see it's free for 5 products. Not bad. You can also see that they're a partner. If you go to the marketplace, they do partner with Walmart, so it's all legit. Don't forget to have a video on your listing as well. So that's another thing, is having a video on your listing. That's just one other tip I wanted to share with you because that does help sales dramatically. Last but not least is going to be a good repricer. Now, Walmart has its own repricer, but it's not very good. This is going to be called Flashpricer, right? So you can just type in Flashpricer, and it's a big tool. A lot of people use it, and if you have a lot of listings, this is going to be the tool for you because you're going to be competing with a lot of people who have different prices, right? This one has 18 other sellers. You want to make sure you're winning the buy box on Walmart so you can generate sales, and having a Flashpricer tool is pretty much going to help you win. And they have their own AI and strategy built in. So this tool does work extremely well and will help you get ahead of the competition. But that's it for today's video. If you want more Walmart videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're a Walmart seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Walmart journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Walmart, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, one of our most popular services is our full Walmart account management service. This is where we're going to be managing your inventory, implementing these tools, managing these tools, optimizing your listings, your listing quality score, doing your customer service, your advertising, your design, and increasing your sales. The benefit of this service is you can spend time working on your business and expanding your business while we're doing the day-to-day operations, making sure you save time, money, and increase your sales with EHP Consulting Group. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.